Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 225, or 4 miles northwest of Bay Minette, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay Minette, Century, Philomaton, Stockton, Molino, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 225 and Bragg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama, and Escambia, Florida.